Namaste. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you sensory techniques. In our previous session, we all are topic. I am talking about is sensory evaluation, objectives of sensory evaluation, and how we select a panelist. Then now let's start the topic. What is sensory analysis? It is a scientific discipline used to evoke, measure, analyze, and interpret reactions to those characteristics of food as they are perceived by the senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. Then discriminative test is done, descriptive, consumer, human beings, instruments, and calibration. Biological senses and sensory properties measured and analytical techniques and parameters. Biological senses we are using for measuring color, shape, and size. For biological senses, we are using our eye, and for analytical techniques, we are using Hunter color system, EI, SEM, particle size analyzers, etc. And what are the parameters for that? L, A, B, and L star, A star, B star dimensions. Then for sensory property measured for texture, we are basically feel that by the skin. And for analytical techniques, we are using the texture analyzers, and parameters are the force, time, distances. For odor and aroma, we are basically sensed by the nose. And for analytical technique, it is GC, GCO, and eNose. And parameters are the sensor responses. Then tongue. Taste and flavor is determined by the tongue, and for analytical technique, it is done by the e-tongue and LC. Then it is parameters are the sensor responses. Then biological sensors for hearing or for the texture and structure, we are basically use our ears for hearing. And then analytical techniques are the acoustic devices. Parameter is sound. Need for e-sensing devices. An electronic panel is increasingly being used to assess food quality and safety. It can be used to record adverse changes in the organoleptic properties of foods such as fruits, vegetables, wines, or cheeses. Some of the benefits and potentials of using the electronic nose, electronic tongue, and electronic eye, which are mainly measured speed and the simplicity of the sample preparation. We would also like to point out its possible use in the future. Requirements for fast, reliable online QC, quality control, for continuous monitoring to ensure consistent quality, numerical numbers, international standards, lack of facility for sensory analysis, the non-availability of the trained panel, and time and cost constraints. Then, first of all, electronic nose. For that, we have a sample of bottle, then there is a sensory chamber, sensor chambers, from which the smell is, the aroma is gone through, and the pump which fruit odor is out from the pump. And then there is an interface of PCB, then 8051 microprocessor board is there, which will display the result on the LCD, and keyboard control is there, and there is a verification program. This is the concept of electronic nose, and there is a difference in between the biological nose and the electrical nose. In electrical nose, there is a sensory system, and then there is a electronic system or the neural networks. Okay, then there is a biological nose where olfactory bulb, olfactory epithelium, all are used for to detect the smell or aroma. The electronic nose is device that detects the smell more effectively than the human sense of the smell. An electronic nose consists of mechanism for chemical detection. The electronic nose is an intelligent sensing device that uses an array of gas sensors which are overlapping selectively along with the pattern reorganization component. Nowadays, the electronic noses have provided external benefits to a variety of commercial industries: agriculture, biomedical, cosmetics, environmental, food, water, and various scientific research fields. The electronic nose detects the hazardous or poisonous gas, which is not possible to human sniffers. Then inside the eNose, there is a sensor matrix is composed of 16 metal oxide semiconductor sensors, specially designed stainless steel measurement. There is a chamber, air sample pump, cooling system, and key components of the metal oxidized semiconductor is there is a wide spectrum of responses. they are not they are non-specific in nature, sensitive, durable, easy to replace, and inexpensive. Then application of electronic nose, medical diagnostic and health monitoring, environmental monitoring, application in food industry, detection of explosives, space analysis applications for NASA, research and development industries, quality control laboratories, the process and production department, detection of drug smells, and detection of harmful bacteria. Then electronic tongue. Basic tastes are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, umami, and kokumi. Tongue and taste buds is receptors, basal, and supportive cells. There are 4 types of papillae: foliate, filiform, fungiform, and curculum circumvallate. And there are more than equal to 2000 taste buds. Then electronic tongue works as there is a sample in which biological system tongue is basically by the taste receptor, it sends the signal to the brain and we analyze the taste of that any product. Then acquisition, data processing, and decision results. Then electronic tongue is done by the sensor array, chemometric tools, and there is a model. This is a picture of electronic tongue. Electronic tongue basically sensor array is there which should determine which taste is it. Sample, sensor array, signal and conditioning and signal processing. There is a data acquisition, then data pre-processing, and then pattern recognition. That is which type of pattern it is it, and that is the taste of that food product. Then sensors. In the presence of dissolved compounds, a potentiometric difference is measured between 7 sensors and the reference electrode. Each sensor has a specific organic membrane which interacts with ionic, neutral, and chemical compounds present in the liquid sample in a specific manner. Any interaction at the membrane interface is detected by the sensor and converted into electronic signal. ChemFET sensor technology. ChemFET stands for Chemical Modified Field Effect Transistor Sensor Technology, using potentiometric measurement, 7 cross-selective liquid sensors sensitive to ionic, neutral, and chemical compounds responsible for taste. This is the picture of EI. Nowadays, food nutrition and safety are increasingly catching the public's eye, and external characteristics such as food size, shape, color are also attracting attention. Traditional methods for evaluating food external characteristics are too complicated to meet the requirements of comprehensive food evaluation. The electronic eye evaluates food quality quickly, effectively, and accurately, and its features are easy to operate in response to the identification of food size, shape, and color. Electronic eye is basically iris camera imaging, 16 million color imaging, integrated zoom, and automated monitoring by the software. There is a light cabin that is reproducible lighting conditions, D65 compliant, 6700K color temperature, top and bottom lighting, backlighting to avoid shadow effect, large measurement that is surface 420 into 4560 mm, EI AlphaSoft software, and data acquisition is done by automated color calibration, data processing, color and shape analysis, multivariate statistics, principal components analysis, that is PCA, statistical quality control, etc. These are the limitations. Then qualitative identification of the compounds are not possible, lack of getting quantitative data for aroma differences, type of sensors, operating conditions, that is sampling protocol, airflow, temperature, humidity. Then appropriate sensor type is volatile compounds, loss of sensitivity in the presence of water vapor or high concentrations of a single component like alcohol, sensor drift, and the inability to provide absolute calibration, relatively shorter life of some sensors, method development work for each specific application, and high sensitivity for human nose correlation problem, lack of sensitivity to the orders of interest, interference for non-odorous molecules, and non-linearity of the sensor response. Then application of e-sensing. In agriculture industry, there are application area for crop protection, harvest timing and storage, meat, seafood, fish products, plant production, pre and post harvest diseases. And specific use types and examples are homeland security, safe food supply, crop ripeness, preservation treatments, freshness, contamination, spoilage, cultivar selection, variety characteristics, plant disease diagnosis, pest identification, detect non-indigenous pests of food crops. Then airline transportation, food safety and welfare, passengers and personal security, and explosive and flammable materials detection. For cosmetic industries, it is used for personal application products and fragrance additives. And e-nose is used for that. Perfume and collogue development, product enhancement, consumer appeal. Then environmental industry, air and water quality monitoring, indoor air quality control, pollution abatement, regulations. And examples of these use types are pollution detection, effluents, toxic spills, malodor emissions, then toxic and hazardous gases, control of point source, pollution releases. In food and beverage industries, the sensors are used for consumer fraud prevention, quality control assessment, ripeness, food contamination, taste and smell characteristics. And specific use type and examples are ingredient confirmation, content standards, brand recognition, product consistency, marketable condition, spoilage, shelf life of flavors, product variety assessments. And in manufacturing industry, processing controls, product uniformity, safety, security, work condition, then product characteristics and consistency, aroma and flavored characteristics, fire alarms, toxic gas leak detection. In medical and clinical industry, pathogens identification, pathogen or disease detection, and physiological conditions is used for patient treatment selection, prognosis, disease diagnosis, then metabolic disorders, nutritional status, and organ failures. Military, personnel and population security, civilian and military safety, biological and chemical weapon, explosive material detection. Pharmaceutical is used for contamination and product purity, variations in the product mixtures. Examples are the quality, product control of drug purity, formulation, consistency and uniformity. Then the conclusion is very effective tools for taste, odor, color analysis. Fast results are there, online quality control, potential replacer for a human panel, partially, knowledge of multivariate analysis, projection techniques are there. As on today, the sensor technology is still far from the sensitivity and selectivity of a mammalian nose. A sensory panel is necessary to define the desired product quality, which can then be used to train the system. And it could occasionally replace sensory analysis and even perform better than a sensory panel in routine work, or in cases where non-odorous or irritant gases need to be detected. Some facts on smell or taste. Taste is mostly 75% smell. All smells are small molecules, less than 350 molecular mass. Insect antennae attached to the electronic circuits are being used as an odor sensor. Dogs can distinguish non-identical twins by smell, but not identical twins. Sniffer rats have been used to detect explosives. Everyone has a unique smell except identical twins. And Nobel Prize for Medicine in 2004, Richard Axel and Linda B. Buck, Columbia University, USA, for the discoveries on odorant receptors and the organization of the olfactory systems. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is co-powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live classes. Thank you so much for watching this video.